Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ya, welcome to English Classroom on 3rd October 2020 with me, Arlin Nuari, and we are going to study letter, ya, personal letter, part 2. Okay. Before we start our lesson today, it will be better we take a prayer first. Kita berdoa terlebih dahulu. Okay, let's take a prayer. Begin. Finish. I will check your attendance. Just Rizky, Sulis, and Wahid. Thank you for come to my Google Meet today. Yeah, because the last meeting maybe you have I have not explained you about personal letter, and then now how to send personal letter by email. Sudah dijelaskan ini personal letter by email? Belum ya, kemarin belum itu. Oke, as you know, personal letter atau kita kenal dengan surat pribadi. Okay. As usual, before we start our lesson today, you have to know the learning objective in this material. Yeah, through the learning objectives, students are able to first understand expression useful in personal letter well, and then second, identify generic structure or structure text in personal letter correctly, and then third, analyze social function, generic structure, and language feature in personal letter correctly. Ya, so have you know to mastery in this learning objective, ya, memahami, mengidentifikasi, dan menganalisis. Itu tentang expression useful, kegunaan expression personal letter. Oke, next, the some useful expression for letter writing, ya. Jadi ini beberapa kegunaan untuk menulis apa nih surat pribadi ini. First, gratitude. Ya, you can use the expression I'm just writing to thank you for, I was very kind of you too, thanks very much for, and I'm very grateful. What is gratitude? Gratitude itu apa? Ya, ucapan terima kasih, ya, gratitude, ucapan syukur atau terima kasih. Next, giving advice. Well, I thought about it, and if I were you, I would, blah, blah, blah. Have you talked about, in your last letter, you said you went to answer that course of action to take, I suggest. Ya, ini jadinya kayak advice itu nasihat, ya. I think you shouldn't, saya rasa kamu tidak seharusnya, in your last letter you ask me about, ya, di itu terakhir, di surat terakhir kamu meminta saya, menanyakan saya tentang bla bla bla, I think bla bla bla, ya, this is the advice. And then delivering good news, ya, if you want to delivering a good news for your friend or for the addresses, you can say, I'm sure you will be happy to hear that, I'm sure that you will be interested to know that. Ya, by the way, did you know that? Ya, OMG, I will never guess that's happened, and then I'm totally ecstatic to hear about, and it was very beyond limit to read that. Ya, ini kalau misalnya mau menyampaikan kabar baik, ya, I'm sure we'll be happy to hear that. And then, but if you want to delivering bad news, I'm sorry, but I have to tell you that, ya, you can say the bad news. And bad news, I'm afraid, but no way to avoid it, so here it goes. Ya, jadi kabar buruknya saya khawatir, tapi nggak masalah kok, kita bisa menghindarinya. And then you can say, I'm extremely sorry to hear that. It was heart-wrenching to read about. And then asking for, asking for help and apologize. Asking for help, I wonder if you could help me. I hope that not too much to ask about. I wonder if I could ask you a favor, could you? Blah blah blah. Ya, and apologize atau ucapan meminta maaf. I would like to apologize for. I'm so sorry. Words are not enough to erase the pain I have given you, but I want to say how sorry I am. Okay, next. Yeah. Okay, the last meeting you have to write down a personal letter, ya, dengan cara menulis surat pribadi dan mengirimkannya mungkin melalui pos. And then now, how to send personal letter by email? Bagaimana cara menulis surat pribadi menggunakan email, ya? As you know, in nowadays we use the electronic, all of about electronic, and then because is it industry 4.0, ya, karena di sini kita udah bilang sudah zamannya industri 4.0 gitu. Jadi kita banyaknya harus lebih paham tentang elektronik, ya, atau tentang akses IT, karena di era ini semuanya sudah menggunakan serba teknologi. Kayak misalnya, contohnya aja kita belajar sekarang, ya, sekarang kita walaupun tidak bisa tatap muka secara langsung, tapi kita bisa tatap muka melalui aplikasi yaitu Google Meet. Okay, next. First open www.mail.google.com atau you can search in Google Mail in Google Chrome. Ya, this is the icon of Gmail. And then second, click write, atau kalau misalnya dalam bahasa Indonesia itu kamu bisa sebut tulis, ya, tulis. After you open mail google.com, terus ada di sini ada menu barnya itu tulis, itu klik, and then after that type email address in column kepada in Indonesia or for NCC, carbon copy and subject. What is carbon copy? Ya, carbon copy adalah mungkin tembusan, ya, tembusan kalau misalnya kamu mau mengirimkan surat tapi ada orang lain lagi yang harus tahu tentang email kamu, ya, itu tembusan. Biasanya you can use it in menggunakan surat, di dalam surat you can use in formal letter. Ya, next. Ya, nanti ada kolom ini, after you click tulis, and then you can show this screen like this, and then there is kepada and subject, or in English in English for and subject, and then please write down. This is my email, arlinuari27@gmail.com, and CC if you want to add CC carbon coffee, and then please write the subject. Subjeknya itu berarti maksud dan tujuan kamu menulis surat itu apa. Type a personal letter based on your purpose. Please make a personal letter for your teacher. Ya, jadi silakan tulis surat nanti tugasnya ini juga, silakan tulis surat berdasarkan tujuan kamu dan membuat surat pribadi untuk guru kamu. Oke. Nih, for example, the subject, you can write down the subject personal letter. And then your name, and then your class. Ya, personal letter, your name and class. Misalnya, for example, personal letter Sulistianingrum ya. Sulistianingsih apa Sulistianingrum?
Sulistianingrum.
Ya, Sulistianingrum. And then apa ini namanya? Under garis bawah, terus kelasnya 11 TKR ya. This is the example of a personal letter. Dear Miss Arlene, I'm writing this letter to tell you my deepest and biggest thanks for all 3 years of my precious senior high school. Actually, you are the one that make me think that my years in this school are really precious. I didn't have a lot of joy and interest when I first started school. Because of you, I can find the joy in this school. I remember vividly the day when you reached your hand to teach me English and told me to go into competition. Actually, I didn't have much confidence in myself, but thanks to your support, I can get into the competition and become the first place in the city. I also remember how you are always on your side when the other teacher avoid us and said that we are handful. You are still there for us. You say that you understand us. And that word very comfort us. Thank you very much, Miss Arlene. You can repay your kindness and my big heart. No matter how hard we try, but we will always remember you forever. I hope you also will remember us. Until the time we meet again, sincerely your forever student, Agi Maulana. Ya, this is the example of letter ya. Don't forget to write the email and then subject, what is subject, and then you can write down based on the personal letter ya. Jangan lupa tulis berdasarkan the part of the letter. For example, this is opening, or you can say salutation, and then opening, and then the body of the letter, and closing and complementary close, and then signature and name. Ya, harus berdasarkan itu. Okay, next, after you write the letter, and then klik kirim or send below on the left side. Ya, berarti biasanya ada di kiri bagian bawah sebelah kiri. Ya, you can klik kirim if you want to send the message. And then you will find the message below, ya, or send message maybe in English when your message has been sent. Ya, ketika pesannya sudah dikirim, biasanya sudah ada tulisan pesan terkirim, send message. Okay, next, ya. After that, please identify part of personal letter based on the letter. Ya, jadi tolong identifikasi personal letter berdasarkan surat di bawah ini. Tadi setelah itu kalian buat surat, silahkan dikirim melalui email. Ya, setelah itu ini ada LKPD job sheet for you. Ada job sheetnya, nanti tolong dikerjakan juga. Ya, saya kasih waktu kalian 30 menit untuk mengerjakan LKPD-nya juga. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, we are going to have a great year together. Ntar LKPD-nya. Wait a minute. Ya, mungkin LKPD-nya sudah saya sampaikan ya kemarin. Sudah sampaikan belum ya? Kalau misalnya belum, nanti disampaikan sekarang. Ya, there is a worksheet, lembar pekerja peserta didik. Ini nanti kalian bisa lihat di Google Classroom kalian. There is a letter or email. Ya, ini bagian-bagian suratnya apa, diisi dulu, and then after that you answer the following questions based on the letter above. Silakan dikerjakan yang ini, terus and then after that this is the answer the question by choose A, B, C, or D correctly. Ya, silakan, ini pilihan ganda, dikerjakan. There are 10 question and then esainya identify part the letter below. Okay, is there any question? Ada yang ditanyakan? Abdul, kenapa baru masuk Abdul? Ada yang ditanyakan tentang personal letter? Nanti yang pertama berarti tugasnya buat surat untuk guru kalian, untuk saya ya, terutama in English, by email. Nanti dikirimkan ke email saya yang tadi, Arlin Nuari 27. Oh, kesini aja deh kalian kirim emailnya ya, Arlin nuari@gmail.com. Ya, silakan di sini arlinuari@gmail.com. Ya, ditulis, dicatat dulu emailnya, terus kirim email. And after that, ya, please do the worksheet here. Dikerjakan worksheetnya yang ini. Itu sudah saya kirim di Google Classroom. Silakan cek di Google Classroom kalian. Dan question, ada yang ditanyakan setelah ini? Tulis?
Nggak ada.
Nggak ada.
Miss, soalnya ditulis nggak, Miss?
Abdul ngapain baru masuk? Nggak ada. Wahid, kenapa Wahid?
Soalnya ditulis nggak, Miss? Yang tadi di...
Ya, soalnya ditulis, silahkan. Atau di print boleh. Ya, silahkan ditulis atau di print. Nanti kalau misalnya nggak ada soalnya, bingung juga ngerjainnya. Ya, kamu masih punya waktu 2 jam. Sini kan pelajarannya ada 2 jam ya. Masih ada 1 jam apa 2 jam pelajaran lagi. Itu dikerjakan, dicicil. Kamu mau ngerjakan yang mana dulu? Terserah, tapi nanti setelah itu yang satu kirim ke email saya, yang satu lagi kirim ke Google Classroom. Yang tadi soal yang tadi. Ya, paham? Paham Wahid?
Paham, Miss. Di print nggak apa-apa, Miss?
Boleh di print.
Ya udah, enakan di print lah.
Iya. Ya, kalau misalnya tempat itunya nggak jauh, ya lebih baik di print, nanti diisi gitu. Ya, oke. Thank you for your attention. Ya, please do it your your work, dikerjakan. Nanti mungkin minggu depan kita akan bahas. Ya, pokoknya hari ini harus sudah selesai semuanya. Hari ini tugasnya harus beres. Nanti saya mau cek lagi Google Classroom-nya. Ya, thank you for your attention and your participation. And then don't forget to do your friend to